Life did not explode because the Earth was generous. It exploded because the Earth refused to cooperate. For 1 billion years, our planet did almost nothing. No forests rising, no animals crawling out of the sea, no drama, no progress, no visible change. And yet, this unbearable silence is the reason you exist. We are used to thinking of evolution as speed, as chaos, as sudden leaps forward. But there is a vast, unsettling hole in Earth's history that tells a different story. A stretch of time twice as long as the age of the dinosaurs, and thousands of times longer than the entire human story. Geologists call it the boring billion. Between 1.8 billion and 800 million years ago, the planet stalled. The atmosphere was thin and hostile. The oceans were not blue, but dark, sulphurous, almost poisonous. Life was there, but only barely. Single-celled organisms drifting in place, repeating the same patterns again and again, generation after generation. Nothing seemed to change. If you had visited Earth during this time, you might have thought it was over. A finished project, a failed experiment, a planet that had reached its limit and quietly given up. So why didn't life disappear? Because stagnation doesn't always mean death. Sometimes it means pressure. The Earth's crust had become too stable. Mountains stopped rising. Tectonic plates slowed. The nutrients life needed were locked underground. The planet became a closed system, a biological dead end. Life couldn't grow outward, so it grew inward. In those dark, suffocating oceans, something radical happened. Something invisible, but irreversible. Life invented sex. Before this era, organisms simply copied themselves. A world of mirrors, endlessly reflecting the same genetic image. But under extreme limitation, cells began to exchange DNA. They introduced difference, risk. The idea of the other. Variation was born, not out of abundance, but out of frustration. The boring billion wasn't a pause, it was a siege. Life was trapped, and it spent 1 billion years quietly figuring out how to escape. And when the lock finally broke, around 800 million years ago, the world didn't ease forward. It erupted. Complex life exploded into existence. Animals, movement, consciousness. Eventually, us. All of it was prepared in silence. The boring billion teaches a truth we rarely accept, that the most important transformations often look like nothing at all, that progress can be invisible for a very long time, that foundations are laid in darkness, brick by unseen brick. So when you look at your own life, at periods where nothing seems to move, where effort brings no reward, where the world feels quiet and unresponsive, ask yourself this: are you stuck in a dead end? Or are you inside your own boring billion? Because silence isn't always an ending. Sometimes it's preparation.